Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Master Ahmed for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Boni Ahmed. I am 12 years old. I am originally from Herna. I was born in Herna in 2013. However, I grew up in Cairo with my father's name is Ahmed Hassan, and my mother's name is Fatuma Ali. There are 7 people in my family. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. My older brother's name is Abdi Ahmed. He is the first child in my family. My sister's name is Amina Ahmed. She is the second child. I am Boni Ahmed. I am the 3rd child in my family. My younger brother's name is Yusuf Ahmed. He is the 4th child in my family. My youngest brother's name is Omar Ahmed. He is the 5th child in my family. I live in Kuteba, Cairo, with my family. I am a grade 6 student at Waliad Kids and Primary School. My favorite subject is English because it is an international language, the language of technology, and the language of learning. It opens the door to success and helps me gain more knowledge. In my free time, I like reading books, watching educational videos, and spending time with my friends. My dream is to become a successful doctor in the future because I want to help sick people and serve my community. Thank you very much for listening.